I've been on top for a while. NASA chip to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got this scary.
Hello sweeties, welcome back. It is Sugar here, and today we're doing another Samsbeauty review, and we're going to be doing it on the Stylist Invisible HD Lace. This is a 13x6 pre-plucked wig. I got mine with brown lace because on the website they do give you an option to do neutral lace or brown lace. I think I prefer neutral just because it's easier to blend my foundation with, and if it's too brown already it just gets darker and it still doesn't match. But I got it in brown lace to try it out. You know, I take my little foundation brush and my Fit Me 355 coconut, and I just rub it all over my cap. I'm not doing a ball cap today, but it's gonna work out just the same. Just make sure you saturate this lighter line really well, and let's get into it. So out of the package, this is what the color and the pattern of the hair is looking like. Okay, you get some really light streaks in there, some nice brown, caramels, and coppers. Super duper pretty. So this is how the cap looks on the inside. This is, you're getting the bulk of the 6 inches in the middle. Okay. This one does have baby hairs already like out. They're on the thicker side, not bad though. You can easily put them back into the hair if you choose. So, very stretchy. So I do think this one is big head friendly. It has a really good stretch to it, y'all. I'm in love. Okay, so it kind of comes with a side part already in there. I'm kind of digging it. So we might keep that today. So this is it. I finished the install. This is what it's giving. I decided to just kind of toss it over to the side. This wig is very sexy, you guys. Very sexy. And the color is amazing. I love that I get my dark baby hairs and my dark roots. That is a must. But it's very natural. It effortlessly goes into this coppery brown and down into this caramel color. Just really nice. The density is good. Cap construction is good. Very stretchy. The length of it is good, stretched all the way out. It's coming to my waist. Nothing bad to say about her, okay? So if you are feeling this, in the description box will be the link. If you enjoyed our time together and you think I did a good job, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell so that you can join me the next time I upload. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.